If you encounter billing errors on Hotjar, it's important to address them quickly to ensure uninterrupted service. Follow these steps to resolve any issues efficiently. Step 1. Review billing details. Check your account settings on Hotjar to confirm that all billing information, including credit card details and billing address, is accurate and up to date. Step 2. Check for notifications. Log into your Hotjar account and look for any notifications or alerts regarding billing issues. These messages can provide specific details about the error. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the error persists, reach out to Hotjar's customer support. Provide them with details about the billing error, including any error messages you received. Step 4. Verify payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Monitor account status. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account status to ensure that the billing error does not recur. Regularly check your billing history for any discrepancies. By following these steps, you can quickly resolve billing errors on Hotjar and maintain your account without interruptions.